Hey Patriots, today we are going to start looking for our pictures that are inviting and inspire curiosity with our viewers. So I'm going to search for Toni Morrison, and as you see, I did add high resolution images to the search. You do want your pictures to be high resolution images because we're going to be making posters, and that will create the greatest product for us. So I see that I have a whole lot of images, and I'm going to look through them again to find that picture that I think is inviting and that will inspire the curiosity of my viewer. I like this one, so I'm going to click on that. Now, you do not want to use the thumbnails, okay? You want to actually click on the image so you get to the website where the image was hosted in the first place. All right, the thumbnails will not work for this. Now, in order to save this picture, you're going to hover your mouse over it. You're going to click on the right side of your mouse pad, and you're going to click Save Image As. You do want to make sure that it is an actual image file, that it's not a web file or anything like that. You're also going to want to make sure that you know where you're putting it. I like to change and put things on my desktop just because they're easy to find, but do what works for you. So I see that I have saved my image, it's right there, and now I'm going to want to open it in Publisher because that's how we're going to put this all together. So I'm going to go to the little Windows icon, I'm going to scroll through my options until I get to Publisher. Publisher will open up. If you are doing a portrait style so that it's more tall than long, you're going to use this one. If you're doing a landscape that it's more wide than tall, you're going to use this one. So I have a portrait, so I'm going to click on that. From there, I am going to insert and pictures. So I'm going to go to my desktop because that's where I put the picture, and I'm going to click on it. Now, as you can see, it's kind of small. So what I'm just going to do is make it a lot larger on my paper. So this is kind of like a sample paper. You do want to keep it with the, pretty much with the constraints of the ratio. So you don't want to make it like, I don't want to take these and make them super long because it would just change the picture and the way that Toni Morrison looks. So that is how you are going to find your picture, and that is what you are going to do with it. In a subsequent video, we will talk about QR codes and how to add the QR code to your image.